When pain shows up again after you have been feeling better, it can be unsettling. Many people immediately worry that something went wrong or that they've lost progress that they worked so hard to gain. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Dan, orthopedic surgeon, and my work focuses specifically on shoulder conditions and recovery. One of the most common misunderstandings is the belief that healing should feel like a straight line. In reality, recovery almost never works that way. Tissues adapt gradually, and during that process, it's very normal for symptoms to fluctuate. Feeling better for a stretch and then noticing pain again. That doesn't mean automatically that there's damage or some reversal. What's happening instead is often related to how healing tissues respond to changes in load, in movement, or daily activities. As you begin to move more or rely on the shoulder differently, the tissues can become irritated even when it continues to heal. That irritation can feel very convincing, especially if things have been improving. This is where fear tends to creep in. The mind fills in the gaps with the worst case scenarios, but pain alone doesn't tell the whole story. It's a signal, not a verdict. And during normal tissue adaptation, that signal can come and go. I explain this pattern in more depth in my older video, Why Shoulder Recovery Feels So Slow After Rotator Cuff Repair, which is in the link below. That video walks through why healing often feels inconsistent even when things are actually moving in the right direction. It can also help to check whether what you're feeling fits common non-threatening patterns. The most important thing to remember is this. A flare-up doesn't erase progress. It usually reflects a body that is still adapting. Understanding that can take a lot of the fear out of the process. Hope you like this. We'll see you next Monday.